You're telling me this is healthy and it actually tastes good?
This is a high-protein chicken rice bowl that doesn't eat like diet food.
All right, chef, walk me through it.
Rice first. 2 cups medium-grain white rice, nishiki if you can. Rinse it 3 times till the water's mostly clear. Spread it flat in the rice cooker. Add equal parts water. Start cooking.
Easy enough. Chicken?
6 to 8 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Lightly oil a sheet tray. Lay them out. Grease the tops, salt both sides lightly. Oven at 375 Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Convection if you got it.
That glaze better be doing something special.
Oh, it does. In a pan, add 6 tablespoons soy sauce, 4 tablespoons rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 red Fresno chili or red jalapeno, seeds removed, finely chopped. Bring it to a boil.
How you thicken that?
Half a teaspoon cornstarch mixed with half a teaspoon water. Pour it in, stir till thick. Turn the heat off. Then add 2 crushed and roughly chopped garlic cloves. Let it steep. Never boil garlic. That's how you ruin vibes.
Veg time.
2 broccoli crowns chopped into florets. Half a bag frozen edamame. Pan on medium-high, light vegetable oil. Broccoli and edamame go in, salt it, don't touch it for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it char.
Color equals flavor. I respect it.
Exactly. Toss it. Drop heat to medium. Cook about 5 minutes till broccoli's tender with a little crunch. Finish with lemon juice to taste. Set it aside.
Back to the chicken real quick.
About halfway through cooking, pull it out. Glaze both sides. Don't use all the sauce. Back in the oven to finish. When it's done, glaze the tops with the rest and broil 1 to 3 minutes till caramelized.
You mentioned pickled carrots.
Quick and clean. In a bowl, 3 tablespoons vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons water, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 teaspoon sugar. Whisk it. Add 2 carrots, julienne or thin sliced. Let them sit till serving.
Extras?
Green onions, thin sliced. 1 avocado sliced. Flaky sea salt, optional furikake.
Assemble it for me.
Rice on the bottom. Chicken sliced about ½ an inch thick. Add veggies, pickled carrots, avocado, green onion. Light seasoning, and you're done.
So it's healthy, filling, and doesn't taste fake?
Exactly. Juicy chicken, sweet heat, crunchy veg, creamy avocado. No trade-offs.
Yeah, this is going straight into rotation.